Hello, good morning students and most welcome on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to start the last topic of 12th standard of MST CET, that is binomial distribution. This topic is one of the simplest topic of full syllabus of MST CET. This topic has only one concept, only one formula and only one exercise in the textbook. So that's why this is one of the simplest topic of MST CET. I made a worksheet of 40 MCQs of this topic, binomial distribution. If you want to download this PDF of this binomial distribution, so you have to check the description of this video. You will get the link, blue link. You have to touch this link. I will give the approval of that link. You will download the PDF of this topic, binomial distribution. So first of all, before starting the actual MCQs of binomial distribution, we have to revise all the topic, the basic concept, the important concept, total theoretical part of this topic and the numericals and the formula. Okay, so in this topic, the first concept is dichotomous experiment. First concept, dichotomous experiment. So what is dichotomous experiment? This is the name of the mathematician. Experiment, dichotomous experiment means what? An experiment which has only two mutually exclusive outcomes. One is success and other is not success. Such an experiment is called as what? Dichotomous experiment. So this is the one. First is success and second is not success, which is also called as failure. An experiment which has only two mutually exclusive outcomes, one is success and other is not success, that is failure. Such an experiment is called as what? Dichotomous experiment. Second concept of this topic, that is Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trial. If dichotomous experiment is repeatedly n times, then the probability of success is still remain constant. So probability of success, which is denoted by P. So this is a probability of success. So probabilities of success, probability of success is less than 1 and greater than 0. So this is a constant term. If dichotomous experiment is repeatedly n times and the probability of success is constant, then such experiment, such trial, n trials is called as what? Bernoulli trials. So this experiment repeatedly n times, so वही एक्सपेरिमेंट अगर हमने 10 बार रिपीट किया है, 100 टाइम रिपीट किया है, so that repetition is called as a trial and such trial is called as what? Bernoulli trial. So Bernoulli trial is nothing but it is a part of dichotomous experiment which has only two mutually exclusive outcomes. So दो ही outcomes है. So ऐसे कौन से experiment हो सकते हैं? To attempt the exam which has only pass or fail, to hit the target, either hit or not hit. अगर किसी टारगेट को हिट करना है, एक तो हिट होगा नहीं तो नहीं होगा. अ कॉइन इज टॉस, आइदर गेटिंग हेड और टेल. एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट आइदर ऑन और ऑफ, दो ही हो सकते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट कोई बात तो ऑन हो सकता है नहीं तो ऑफ हो सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट ऑन मीन्स ऑब्वियसली ऑफ. सो दैट इज ऑन इज द सक्सेस एंड ऑफ इज द फेल्योर, राइट. टू अटेम्प्ट द एग्जाम, आइदर पास हो गए नहीं तो फेल हो गए. किसी टारगेट को हिट करना है, एक तो हिट होगा नहीं तो नहीं होगा, राइट. सो सच एक्सपेरिमेंट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? डिचोटोमस एक्सपेरिमेंट. अगर वो डिचोटोमस एक्सपेरिमेंट हमने 10 बार अटेम्प्ट किया है, 10 बार ट्रायल लिया है, सो दैट ट्रायल इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? बर्नौली ट्रायल. सो दैट बर्नौली ट्रायल हैज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस इज कांस्टेंट which is less than 1 or greater than 0. So P is the probability of success. So definitely Q is probability of not success. Probability of not success. Probability of not success. So this is the Bernoulli trial. Now next is binomial binomial experiment. An experiment which has n number of trials, अगर उसी ट्रायल को हम नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स में करें n ट्रायल्स, an experiment which has n Bernoulli trials, n trials. So such experiment is called as what? Binomial experiment. Binomial experiment is a part of Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trial is a part of Dichotomous experiment. So this is the Bernoulli is the name of mathematician. Dichotomous is also name of mathematician, and this is the total basic theoretical part of binomial distribution. Now x, number of successes. Number of successes, so that is small x1, x2, x3 up to xn. So here x takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 भी success 0 भी हो सकता है, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n, right? So now this x follows binomial distribution with the two parameters n comma p. So this is expression for the Bernoulli binomial experiment. So that x, capital X is what? Number of successes. Number of successes follows binomial distribution with these two parameters. There are two parameters n comma p. So n is the number of trials and p is the probability of success. So here then probability mass function. Probability mass function is defined as ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So everything is defined here. So here n, so this n is called as what? A number of trials. This n is called as what? A number of trials. N times number of trials. So p is a probability of success, q is a probability of not success. This small x is the number of successes, x1, x2, x3. It means x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3. So this trial, number of trial from 1, 0 trial नहीं हो सकता. So number of trials start from 1 because trial कभी 0 नहीं हो सकता. If trial is 0, एक बार भी ट्रायल नहीं किया, सो दैट इज नॉट अ बर्नौली ट्रायल. उसको बर्नौली ट्रायल नहीं कहेंगे. 1 ट्रायल, 2 ट्रायल, 3 ट्रायल, 4 ट्रायल अप टू n टाइम. सो दिस n is the number of trials, x is the probability of success. So this probability mass function is defined as ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So this Bernoulli trial has only two outcomes, p and q. So we know that sum of all probability is equal to what? 1. सो अगर यहाँ पर दो ही प्रोबेबिलिटी, एक सक्सेस की है और दूसरी कौन सी है? नॉट सक्सेस की. सो दोनों की सम कितनी होगी? 1 होगी. सो देयरफॉर q इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 माइनस p. सो q इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस p. अदरवाइज इट इज इक्वल टू 0. अदरवाइज इज इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस इज अ बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. This is binomial distribution. Here x is number of successes. X takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. N is the number of trials, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash. This p plus q is equal to 1. So q is equal to 1 minus p and p is equal to also 1 minus q. So p plus q is equal to 1. So otherwise it is equal to 0. Otherwise it is equal to what? 0. So here there are another three formulas: mean, variance and standard deviation of x. So mean का formula np, n into p, variance npq, n into p into q, and standard deviation is nothing but it is the square root of variance of x. So this is one more formulas of binomial distribution. सो इतने ही यहाँ पर रिजल्ट है. मेन तो यही फॉर्मूला है बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का. सो वंस अगेन आई रिपीट ऑल थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक एंड फॉर्मूले. So first is dichotomous experiment, an experiment which has only two mutually exclusive outcomes. One is probability, one is success and other is not success, such an experiment is called as what? Dichotomous experiment. Bernoulli trial, if dichotomous experiment is repeatedly n times, then the probability of success is constant, means P is less than 1 greater than 0, probability of success, P is probability of success, so which is constant. Such an experiment, such an trial is called as what? Bernoulli trial. So उसी experiment के trial को हम क्या करें? Bernoulli trial. Now binomial experiment. An experiment is repeatedly n trials, so that experiment is called as what? Bernoulli trials. So x is a number of successes, P is, x takes the value 0 1 2 3 4, n 1 2 3 4, and now x follows the binomial n comma b. So x is a, this is the expression for Bernoulli trial, sorry, binomial experiment. X follows b, n comma p, n p are the what parameters? N is the number of trials and p is the probability of success. Then probability mass function defined as ncx. So this is a formula of per combination ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So all details of this here we mention here. Otherwise, if it is not like this, so it is otherwise it is equal to what? 0. So this is called as what? Binomial distribution. And there are more three formulae: mean, variance and standard deviation. Mean is what? N into p. Variance is what? npq. And standard deviation is what? Under root square root of npq. Okay, so this is the enough study. So maximum theoretical part हमने कवर किया है. अब सिर्फ यहाँ पर क्या है? न्यूमेरिकल्स है, एमसीक्यू है. अब एक्चुअल एमसीक्यू हम इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करेंगे. कुछ 5 to 6 एमसीक्यू हम यहाँ पर लेंगे, उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेंगे. ओके, सो विल टेक नाउ एक्चुअल एमसीक्यूज ऑफ टॉपिक बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके, now let's start the actual MCQs of the topic binomial distribution. With the first MCQ, see the MCQ number first. X follows B. Follows को arrow भी कर सकते हैं और ऐसा साइन भी कर सकते हैं. B n is equal to 10p. So he has given, first of all, right, given X follows binomial distribution n is equal to 10. We have to find p. One more thing, he has given expected value of X is equal to 8. So expected value का फॉर्मूला np is equal to 8. So n की वैल्यू 10 है, 10p is equal to 8. So p is equal to 4/5. So आपको लगेगा इतने इजी एग्जाम्पल, इससे भी इजी एग्जाम्पल इस टॉपिक में है. सो मैक्सिमम 2 क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर पॉसिबिलिटी है 2 क्वेश्चन आने की, और ये 2 क्वेश्चन और प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के 2 क्वेश्चन, 4 क्वेश्चन. इट मीन्स 8 मार्क्स तो आपके 100% पक्के होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस टॉपिक्स आर वेरी वेरी सिंपलेस्ट टॉपिक. ओके, मैक्सिमम 2 MCQs, नहीं तो 1 MCQ. सो 2 to 4 मार्क के लिए टॉपिक पॉसिबल है. नाउ सेकंड MCQ, look at the second MCQ. X follows binomial distribution with n is equal to 10 and p. Variance भी निकालना है. Expected value of x is what? 5. Expected value of x is 5. So np is equal to 5. So n is 10. 10p is equal to 5. So p is equal to 1/2. So अगर p 1/2 है तो q भी 1/2 होगा, because p plus q is what? 1. So p 1/2, so q is obviously 1/2. Now we have to find variance of x. Variance of x का formula npq. n is 10, p is 1/2, q is 1/2. So 10/4, 5/2. So this is the answer. Variance of x 5/2, p 1/2. 1/2 and 5/2. What हमें क्या फाइंड करना था? p and variance. 1/2, 5/2. ऑप्शन इज व्हाट? बी. यहाँ पर ऑप्शन क्या था? 0.8. 4/5 मीन्स 0.8. बी भी ऑप्शन, यहाँ पर भी ऑप्शन. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंप्लीशन ऑफ फर्स्ट 2 MCQs. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द MCQ नंबर 3rd. In MCQ number 3rd, x follows binomial. Expected value of x is given. Ex is 5. Vx is 2.5 और हमें फाइंड करना है n and p. So Ex 5 है, Vx 2.5. What is actual Ex? PQ. Vx NPQ. PQ नहीं, NP. Ex is NP. Vx is NPQ. So best way डिवाइड करेंगे NPQ डिवाइडेड बाय NP इज इक्वल टू 2.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. सो NP कैंसल, Q इज इक्वल टू 0.5. अगर ये 0.5 है तो P भी 0.5 होगा. 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 0.5 की वैल्यू, Q की वैल्यू 0.5, P की वैल्यू 0.5. सो हमें फाइंड करना था थर्ड क्वेश्चन में n भी फाइंड करना था. सो n इंटू 0.5 इज इक्वल टू 5. सो n इज इक्वल टू 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.5. सो इट्स 50 by 5. सो आंसर इज व्हाट? 10. सो आवर आंसर इज 10 एंड 0.5. थर्ड का 10 0.5, 10 और 0.5. सो ये ऑप्शन. ओके. So I hope you enjoy this MCQs. very simple MCQs, very easy level के MCQs है. So एक first MCQ, second MCQ and third MCQ you understand best. So now MCQ number 4. Let's start the MCQ number 4. A die is thrown 5 times. So number of trials is equal to 5. If getting an odd number is considered as success, so getting odd number, even number, so probability is always equal 1/2 and 1/2. So even odd, head and tail, इसकी probability of success and probability of failure are always equal. It is always considered as 1/2, 1/2. कितने भी नंबर trials, how much it doesn't matter. n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10, n is equal to 7. So even odd number, so even और odd number की probability equal होती है और वो 1/2, 1/2 होती है. If a coin is tossed 10 times or 9 times, if coin is tossed 9 times, x is a number of success, that is number of heads. So head और probability, tail की probability equal होती है. So P is equal to 1/2 and Q is equal to 1/2. Then variance of x, V of x, NPQ 5, 1/2, 1/2. So it is what? 5/4. So fourth का option है D. So ये important part. Even odd. Number 5. Mean variance of binomial variate x are 4 and 2. Mean 4, variance 2. So NP की वैल्यू 4 रखो. 4 into Q is equal to 2. So 2/4 is 1/2. Q 1/2. So definitely P is also 1/2. अगर P 1/2 है, P is 1/2. So n is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. So these three terms are important in binomial distribution, n, P and Q. What we have to find? We have to find the probability of x is equal to 1. So probability of x is equal to 1. The formula NCX, P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. N is 8. 8C1, P 1/2 raised to x. X is 1. Q 1/2. N minus x. 8 minus 1, 7. So calculation is here. 8C1 is 8. 8C1 is 8. 1/2 raised to 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. So 8 means 2 cube divided by 2 raised to 8. So 1/2 raised to 5. So 1/32 is the answer. 1/32 means option what? A. Got it? So he has given the NP and NPQ mean and variance. From this we can find out the all terms, that is N, P and Q. N की वैल्यू 8, Q की वैल्यू 1/2, P की वैल्यू 1/2. सो NP 4 यहाँ पर रख दिया. सो Q इज 2/4 इज 1/2. Q से P फाइंड किया, P इधर रख दिया. सो N की वैल्यू 8 मिल गई. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 1. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला which is called as the binomial distribution. This actual the probability mass function, so which is considered as, is known as binomial distribution, because this probability mass function has only two possible outcomes. So P and Q are the probability of success and probability of not success. So सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन किया है. यहाँ पर अगर 1 है तो it is only n. So this is the property NC1, it is equal to only n. NC0 it is equal to 1. NCN it is equal to 1. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. ये प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन, C फॉर कॉम्बिनेशन, C इज द कॉम्बिनेशन, परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन का पार्ट है. सो ये कुछ प्रॉपर्टी इंपॉर्टेंट है विच इज कंप्लीटली रिलेटेड द combination means a selection of objects out of n. So that is the formula. Okay, it is the properties of combination. Now this is the completion of MCQ number 5. We'll take 6, 7. Now we'll take the MCQ number 6. Mean and variance of binomial distribution are 2 and 1. So mean is 2. Mean is 2, variance is 1. NP की वैल्यू 2 यहाँ पर, 2Q is equal to 1, Q की वैल्यू 1/2. So obviously P is also 1/2 because P plus Q is 1. P की वैल्यू यहाँ पर n into 1/2 is equal to 2. So n की वैल्यू 4, n4, P 1/2, Q 1/2, n4. So what we have to find? Probability x takes the values greater than 1. Probability x is greater than 1. Equal to 1 भी नहीं, greater than 1. So we find this is 1 minus probability x is equal to 0 plus probability x is equal to 1. So ये कहाँ से बन गया फॉर्मूला? बिकॉज सपोज x की वैल्यू 0 to n है, x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n है. सो सबकी प्रोबेबिलिटी की सम कितनी होनी चाहिए? 1 होना चाहिए. प्रोबेबिलिटी x is equal to 0, प्रोबेबिलिटी x is equal to 1, probability x is equal to 0 plus probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to 2 plus probability x is equal to 3 plus probability x is equal to n. So sum of all probability is equal to how much? 1. Right? Here we have to find probability greater than 1. So यहाँ से find करना इतनी 2, 3, 4 up to 1. अप टू n 2, 3, 4, 5 इज इक्वल टू 1 होती है, इज इक्वल टू 1 नहीं है. सो इतनी प्रोबेबिलिटी हमें फाइंड करना. ग्रेटर दैन 1, x टेक्स द वैल्यूज ग्रेटर दैन 1 नॉट इक्वल टू 1. सो ग्रेटर दैन 1 कौन सा है? 2 भी है, 3 भी है, 4 है. बिकॉज ये ट्रायल कितनी है? 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है. ट्रायल 4 है. सो ग्रेटर दैन 1, 2, 3, 4 है. सो बेस्ट वे हम क्या करेंगे? ये इधर माइनस करेंगे. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज ग्रेटर दैन 1 इज नथिंग बट 1 माइनस दिस टू सम. 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 1. सो यहाँ पर ये फॉर्मूला मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया है. सो विल सॉल्व हियर. सो इट इज 1 माइनस NC0, 4C0, P रेस टू 0, Q रेस टू 4 प्लस 4C1 अभी 1 है, P 1/2 रेस टू 1, 1/2 रेस टू 4 माइनस 1 इज 3. सो 1 माइनस ये दो टर्म कॉमन है. 1/2 रेस टू 4, 1/2 रेस टू 1 प्लस 3 इज 4. So 1 by 2 raised to 4 common in bracket. 4c0 is 1, 4c1 is 4. So 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 1 plus 4 is 5. 16 minus 5 is 11. 11 by 16 ये आंसर आना चाहिए. 11 by 16 of 6. So C correct. Got it? So सबसे important is what we have to find the value probability of x which takes the values greater than 1. So greater than 1 क्या है? 2 भी हो सकता है, 3 भी हो सकता है, 4 भी हो सकता है. बट 4 से आगे हो सकता है क्या? नहीं, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स ही 4 है. सो उसके आगे तो नहीं हो सकती x की वैल्यू. गॉट इट? सो ग्रेटर देन 1 मीन्स 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 से बेस्ट वे है 1 माइनस probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the calculation. NCX p raised to x q raised to n minus x. NCX p raised to x q raised to n minus x. N is this, x is this. N is this, x is this. P q. This is the value of x. This is n minus x. X n minus x. यहाँ पर x 0 है, यहाँ पर x कितना है? 1 है. Okay, this is n p q. Got it? So this is some solutions of question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 तक sufficient है. In this video lecture we completed the total theoretical part of binomial distribution. First is dichotomous experiment, Bernoulli trial and binomial experiment. After that the probability mass function which is defined as the binomial distribution, उसका formula mean, variance and standard deviation, and this 6 MCQs. This is sufficient for the first lecture on binomial distribution. Okay, I hope you understand all this. We'll take more MCQs from the next video lecture, so stay tuned on this YouTube channel Math Mentor. Today I am going to stop here. Thank you very much.